9 points na para kay Destacamento. That's assist number 5 para kay Kit. Costello not get the bounce. Last touch ng mga nakaputi. 110-61. I'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. That is over the top.
Dalawa na lang hindi nakaka-score dito sa Rice Vanguards. Si Bobby and si Clark. And they have 6 players in double digits.
Just the balanced scoring here from we'll review the last out of bounds play. Binyan, Big Boy Hernandez, JJ Pido, and Pamboy Raimundo. They will be playing later on against the Imos Brotherhood.
Iba talaga tindig ni JJ Pido no?
No.
Always very animated.
Gozum, the challenge by Villarias. Sunga gets the 2 points. 110-65. Lukanag to Costello. Final score na lang inaabangan natin dito. Costello to Villarias. Chan on the cross-court pass. He knocks it down.
Again, another comfortable 3 for Tyrone Chan. Every time on a catch and shoot, yan ang pinakagusto nito ni Tyrone Chan.
That is short for Jimenez. Nag-agawa ng dalawang nakaputi, and it ends up with Lars Sunga.
So with this win, Nueva Ecija is still on track to get to 26 wins. With a couple of teams medyo lower tiered. And then I think their last one will be against Rizal.
Ganda rin yan because it will be a crucial game for Rizal as well. No? Kasi they are chasing a,
number 2 din.
Number 2 or number 1. Maabot.
Well, if have they gone up against them, diba, Abra, ang Rizal?
Oo, tapos na.
Oh, yeah. Well, if it's a tie, because I think Abra's gonna get to at least 26, at most 28 wins. So that's a tough one to chase. Baka hindi naaabot doon ang ano. Not unless magtatalo ang Abra, which is very unlikely.
Abra still has San Juan in its schedule on September 18.
Batangas.
So
yeah, those 2 games.
Well, that will do it. Another lopsided win here for Nueva Ecija. There's another statement victory, and Sarangani, they are having a